make this dish by cutting the mackerel into 2-inch pieces with bones in it. But today we're fabricating and making a fillet of the fish to make it quicker and easier to eat. Hello everyone, this is Jia. This time we'll be making braised mackerel with radish. In Korea, we call it Godeungeo-mujorim. Mackerel is a great, inexpensive, oily fish that is really tasty. To prevent the cross-contamination, we're gonna start from vegetables. Let's peel the radish. And the potato. Let's cut the radish. We want to cut them in about 2 to 3 centimeters. Not too thin. Next is potato. Okay, good. Now we're going to assemble the radish and potato to the pot, and then we're going to make a sauce. We're going to place the pieces of radish and potato to the pot. Pour 3 cups of water to the pot, and we're going to make a broth that goes perfect with braised mackerel by simply adding 2 pieces of dried kelp to the pot. Let's bring to a boil for 10 minutes. If you don't have dried kelp, don't worry, you may just add water. It works as well. We're first cooking the radish and the potatoes. In the meantime, we want to make a sauce for godeungeo-mujorim. I'm gonna start from chopping the garlic and ginger. Use a little more garlic than ginger. Garlic and ginger removes the smell of fish and upgrades the taste of the sauce. We need to use half stalk of green onion. Diagonally, thinly slice the green onion. And the chilies. Let's just chop them. Let's slice the onion. The vegetables are all prepared. Now let's make a sauce. In a bowl, we're gonna add Korean chili flakes, gochugaru, soy sauce, and minced garlic, minced ginger. And this is Korean rice wine. If you don't have it, you can substitute to a white wine. Give them a stir. And then I want to add a little bit of sugar. Okay. So it should look like a paste. We're gonna put this aside. And in the meantime, let's work on fish. Let's cut just below the fish gills until the blade touches the bone. And also do the same on the tail of the fish. And then put the angle of the knife in 35 degrees and make a straight cut toward the spine of the fish. Do it slowly and carefully. Then I'll flip over and do the same on the other side. Try to keep the blade of the knife angled down towards the spine to take more flesh from the fish. You can make this dish by cutting the mackerel into 2-inch pieces with bones in it. but today we are fabricating and making a fillet of the fish to make it quicker and easier to eat. Okay, let's trim a little bit more the belly part. So there's lots of fat and little bones. So take this part away. And the V-zone. Perfect. Okay. Let's put the fish to the pot. Okay. And the onion. And for the paste, this is quite thick, so it's to make it easier to put in the braised fish. Put a few spoons of broth to the paste, to the sauce, and then evenly distribute on the fish and on the stalk. We're gonna cook this in a medium heat for 10 minutes. Okay, let's check. Seems that it's all well cooked and the sauce has been reduced in 2/3. Okay, now we're gonna sprinkle the spring onion, green onion on the top. If you like spicy, this is optional. Add some more peppers, chilies to it. Okay. And then lower the heat. Low heat, just simmer for another 5 minutes. It looks good and smells good too. If you happen to find fresh mackerel and good radish, braised mackerel is a must dish that I recommend. Thank you for watching. See you again. Bye bye.